In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Ubisoft Connection lost error. If you're a gamer, you know how frustrating it is to be in the middle of an intense session only to get disconnected. Fortunately, resolving this issue is often straightforward and involves a few simple troubleshooting steps. Let's dive in to ensure a seamless gaming experience. First, it's crucial to determine whether the issue is related to your internet connection or Ubisoft services. Start by checking the Ubisoft support website or social media channels for any possible service outages. Sometimes, the issue might be on their end, which means all we can do is wait until they resolve it. However, if everything seems fine on their side, we'll need to dig deeper into your setup. The next step is to verify your internet connection. This may sound basic, but it's often the culprit. Turn off your router and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This allows your router to reboot fully, potentially fixing any connectivity issues. Once restarted, check if your connection is stable by visiting a few websites or streaming a video. If everything appears smooth, try launching the game again. If rebooting your router didn't help, consider resetting your network settings. This can often solve deeper connectivity problems. On a Windows computer, go to your settings, click on Network Internet, and then select Network Reset. Follow the prompt to reset your settings. This will return your network configuration to its default state, which can rectify any errors that might have been causing the disconnection. Sometimes, having the latest updates on your operating system and drivers is key to ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Check if there are any pending updates for your operating system, as well as any updates for your network drivers. Keeping everything updated can often resolve compatibility issues that might be affecting your connection. Another common issue could be related to your firewall or antivirus settings. Firewalls are designed to protect your computer, but they can sometimes mistakenly block certain connections. Access your firewall settings and ensure that Ubisoft services and applications are allowed through. Similarly, review your antivirus settings to ensure it isn't blocking anything related to Ubisoft. Lastly, try connecting with a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection generally provides a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing the chances of drops. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your device directly to the router and test if this resolves the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues related to the Ubisoft Connection lost error. Remember, if the problem persists, it may be helpful to reach out to Ubisoft support for further assistance. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're back to gaming in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.